Welcome to another episode of Inside Trial Minds, where we dive deep into the minds of our nation's top-ranked attorneys, how they think, how they fight, and how they ultimately win their cases.
What it was realizing that everybody needs a champion, and for those people that are represented as defendants, they needed that too. But that carries over to the plaintiff side even more, because there's people who have been put upon, they've been injured, their whole entire lives have been flipped upside down, and until you get involved and are able to impose your will on the other side, nothing's going to happen for them.
I love that question. That is such a great question. And really, trust is the fuel for the engine, really. Without the gas, without trust, you're not going anywhere, right? Mm-hmm. So you can know how to persuade and you can understand the neuroscience, but if you don't know how to build your credibility with your decision maker, and if you don't have the ability to get them to trust you, you're not going anywhere. You're 100% right. Trust is foundational. It's foundational.
If this were me that was injured, or my wife, or one of my daughters, how would I feel about that? How would that injury affect me? It's not always about how long was the medical treatment or how much are the bills. It's what happened to that person and how has their life been changed, and what can we do as trial lawyers to help them get back to what they were before this crash or this incident.
Yeah, so I was working for this agent, and there was just something inside me that just kept calling me back to Detroit. And I had these run-ins with lawyers in LA that were from Detroit, and I started getting offers to come back and work in their law firms. And there was just something inside me that was saying to my soul, really, you need to help people. This is, you are someone that needs to be out there. You need to be the voice for people that don't have their own voice.